Hi there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about trading psychology and a shift requires to change from mindset to heart set. So I will explain in detail what it means. So anyone who is doing trading or investing, whether part-time, full-time, or a day trader or a swing trader, or any or a scalper or anybody who is involved in trading or investing whose work is to see charts and analyze whether it is going to go up or down. Okay, so what kind of strategy do they require? Okay, apart from the technical strategy, whatever they require, also the mindset part is very important. Okay, nowadays everybody are talking about the mindset. Now, but every time we see whether even if we have a good mindset, okay, and we have a good strategy, we have a good mindset, but still the market is not going in our favor. Okay, it can happen, many times. So, how to win in trading using our mind and our heart? So that will be the topic for in this video. So, how to utilize our heart energy, our feeling energies, and the mind energy, the thinking energy, and to get a right decision at the right time to get a profitable trade, either short term or long term. Okay, so we are going to combine this male and female energy, okay, the mind energy and the heart energy. We are going to take advantage of both the energies to utilize in trading and to catch a good profitable trade. Okay, so how do we do that? Now, anyone who is a trader knows that the first he will see the charts, okay, and if the setup comes, he will dive in, he will take the trade, okay, and based on the profit, uh, profit either risk reward, whatever is pre-decided, or as per the market movement, someone will make the book the profit, okay. So, but what if I say you start the trading by the heart set, by feeling with the charts? Okay, for example, before even the setup comes, okay, you choose any instrument which you like, for example, gold or currency pair or options or any instruments, commodities, anything you put the charts. Okay, the chart may look something like this, or even it could be anything, but for an example I've kept this chart. Now imagine you're looking at the charts and the market is, yes, okay, imagine you're looking the charts, the market is somewhere. Not even this. Not e Okay. Now this is what you see in the markets when you're starting the trade or you're looking for opportunities, and this is what the market looks like. Okay. Now, when you start trading using your heart or using the feeling energy, uh, before even the setup comes, okay, uh, you're having a feeling, okay, you're having a feeling that the market may go up from here, okay, it can give a nice bullish trend, upward movement. You are just having a feeling, okay, because the market is not yet moved. Imagine it is not yet moved, but you are having a feeling that the market goes upward today. It is expected it will go upward, okay. uh, Somewhere the feeling came to you that okay, it may go up now. So you're happy, you're feeling good, you're feeling excited. Okay, today the market may go higher. Okay, so before even the market is showing the signs, you are getting a sign that it may go up. Okay, and this thought or this information is coming from your heart, or is a feeling inside you. Okay, so it's a feeling inside you. The charts has not yet started. Okay, you're just seeing the previous day charts, or or the recent charts, the recent candles. Okay, but you are having a feeling that it may go up. Okay, so you're noting down, and what happens is after a few minutes or few hours, depending upon the time frame you trade, you are noticing the next candle. Oh, nice. I thought it is going up, and actually it is going up, which is very good. Okay, so you're still developing that feeling inside you, that that expectation, that excitement around your decision. Okay, now after some time, some red candle happened. After some time, some green candles, some red candles, and after having a feeling that the market is going upward, and you had an entry point somewhere in this candle or this candle. Okay, but you have not practically taken the trade, but you are just uh, you know predicting that the market will go higher, and with some time interval, which after some candles, you are noticing that still the bottom of the uh, trend is not over, is not hit, the stop losses are not hit yet. Okay, which means whatever feeling you have got with these candles is possibly right for some time. For imagine this is an hourly candle you are trading. Okay, so you got a feeling that the market will go higher at this candle. Okay, now you have not taken the trade, but you're just watching whether is your feeling right or wrong. Okay, so after say this is the hourly candle, you have got the feeling. Now after 1 2 3 5 hours, still the market is in your favor. It has not hit the stop losses of the low. Okay, so which means the feeling is somewhat right, because if the stop losses are not hit, then there is a high chances that it will go in your favor, whatever the feeling you have got. Okay, so when you give some time and still the market is not hit the swing low or high, and the stop losses are not hit, it is either sideways or it is going in your favor. Then you can think about whatever your setup is. You can think about you can use your mind or brain and think what your setup is. You may enter at a engulfing candle, or you can enter at a swing high. Anything is your strategy. You can enter at a moving average crossover or an RSI, whatever is your strategy. Then you can look for your strategy, your entry point, your entry setup, and then you can take a trade based on your risk reward and stop losses and take profit. Okay, so initially you can start with one-to-one risk reward, and identifying good entries, good profit, and once you see profits on a regular basis, day after day, week after week, then you can go for higher risk reward based upon your feelings. Okay, so first you will make a decision based on your feelings. Then for a confirmation, using your mind, you will find the setup, the strategy. Okay, and after somewhat a time interval, you're seeing the market is going in your favor. Maybe you have entered somewhere here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 hours, your your entry is going in your favor, and then later on when the red candle comes, you can think about exit, or whatever is your exit strategy, maybe 1 to 1 risk reward, 1 to 2 risk reward. You can start with the minimum risk reward at the beginning, and then going forward you can change it based on your feelings. Okay, so it is very, very important. Now, once you start getting good profits, for example, you on an average basis, if you take 10 trades a week, and if seven are profit and three are in loss, then definitely your feelings are right. You can trust your feelings, you can trust your heart, and continue more on that journey, on that trading journey. Okay, so ask your heart, find the right instruments, find the right timing using your heart, your feelings, and then for confirmation, check with the mind, the setup, and then go for a trade. Okay, don't do it on a reversal basis. Like you find the setup, the market is showing you the setup, then asking heart whether right or wrong is a little difficult, and it will have a fight between mind and the brain. Sorry, the mind and the heart. Okay, first go with the heart without even seeing the setup. First, choose the pair using your heart, and what the heart says, then you find the setup using your mind. Okay, so it is a we have heart and the mind, and we are utilizing both the energies to find the profitable setup, the profitable trade. Okay, but first we will go with the heart because it is very powerful. Okay, and second is the our conscious mind. Okay, heart first, mind second, feeling first, and then thinking second. Heart set is first, and then the mindset is the second. Okay, so this is how we can go for more profitable trades. We can start being profitable in the trading journey. Of course, you will have stop losses. Okay, sometimes uh, we may have mispredicted the market, or we have misjudged the market. We might have taken wrong trades also. But overall, if you see on an average of 10 trades, 20 trades, 50 trades, or 100 trades, definitely you will be in a profitable position because you are following your heart, and heart always gives you a joyful experiences, good experiences. Okay, heart, how can you find the answers from your heart? Using joy energy, using happy energy, using excitement energy, using confidence. Confidence comes from your heart. Okay, excitement comes from your heart, and joy comes from your heart, happy things comes from your heart, because your heart knows whether the trade will give a good reward or not. Okay, but first you have to put the heart first, you have to listen to your heart first through your feelings. Okay, and then use the mind for the setup. Just because you have an emotional uh, feeling that it will go up doesn't mean immediately go and buy the stock. No, you're using heart as a initial first step, and then the second step will be your mind. See whether the strategy or the setup is coming in your favor or not. Okay, so it is a mix and balance of heart and mind in the trading, not only the mind and not only the heart. Some people only go with emotional decisions. If they like it, they buy. If they don't like it, they exit. Okay, and some people only use their mind. If the setup I see, I enter. If the setup is not coming, I will not enter. Okay, something like that. But both will have a very, very less profits, or more losses, because it is an emotional game. The market is an emotional game, and it's a mass emotional game. So we are using our heart to check the emotions of ours, whether we are getting excited or not, and then we are also using our mind energy to, if the heart is right, then the charts should also reflect our strategy or our setup to go for the entry. Okay, so we should find entries in using both the energies. Okay, we are doing trading, stock trading or forex trading, crypto trading by using heart and mind energy both. Okay, so in order to even do this thing, we have to be in a very peaceful state of mind. Happy heart and a peaceful mind is very very important to enter into trading, because you're touching the money, whether it's your money or somebody else's money. When you touch the money, you have to be in a peaceful state. You have to be in a happy state. Okay, similarly in trading, when you touch the money in trading account, your mind should be peaceful and your heart should be happy. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.